Namaste, Namaskara, Vanakkam. Lot of students from my recent practice batch for Jan 26 attempt have requested me, sir, give us a list of expected questions which can come in Jan 2026 CA Intermediate Income Tax paper, sir. Give us some very important topics list which we should not at least miss while revising the topics. So I have made a proper full-fledged analysis of the recent past 5 attempts, guys. This is analysis of the latest 5 attempts question papers, and according to the trend I have prepared a list of all the expected questions, expected topics which you can expect in Jan 2026 attempt. So be tuned in this video till the end, guys. You will get a fair idea of which topics are very important, you cannot miss while you revise the topics, guys. Be very careful. I am not saying only revise these topics, leave other topics. I am not saying that. What all I am saying is these are the topics in which ICAI frequently ask you questions. We will analyze right away in this video from the past 5 attempts question papers. So if we know the trend, we will at least we will be in a position to expect, okay, from this topic a question is expected, so I cannot miss this topic while I revise one day before examination. So the intention is not to tell you that leave other topics. The intention is to tell you some expected topics, expected areas from which ICA can ask you in the coming Jan 2026 attempt, guys. Now I have bifurcated my analysis into two parts. One is the MCQ trend analysis, the other is the descriptive question, guys. First, looking at the MCQ trend analysis, I have taken 4 attempts: September 24, Jan 25, May 25 and September 25. Guys, carefully look at it. Income from house property, I'll be highlighting here. Income from house property has been asked every attempt, guys. Income from house property is a very small topic. From that, every attempt MCQ is being picked. Yes. Next, coming to agriculture income, also couple of times it has been asked in the recent question. So agriculture income, you know very well, we have hardly something like coffee, that tea and all, and you have that partial integration, one concept is there, and other things you can look around for rubber and all. Yes, so that kind of agriculture income is also asked in the latest MCQs. Now coming to clubbing, guys, clubbing, you see here, clubbing, it is almost asked for 2 attempts in the past 4 attempts, and a set off of losses is also frequently asked, side. So what I can say is from this thing, guys, first, income from house property, set off and loss of carry forward, set off and carry forward of losses, and agriculture income. These are some important small topics. These are clubbing and all. You cannot leave it, guys. One more thing, keep in mind, lot of times winning and gift taxation is also asked in MCQ analysis. Yes, so that is from the standpoint of MCQ. That's okay, but now let's come to the descriptive questions, the most important part. Guys, trust me, in this trend analysis we can definitely expect at least minimum to minimum 60 to 70% of the question paper exactly from these topics in the Jan 26 attempt, guys. First, I have taken 5 attempts, guys. The latest 5 attempts I have taken, the latest being September 25. See, the very first compulsory mark question, 15 marks compulsory question, every attempt it is asked total income only, and that too profit and loss model is asked, guys. If you don't know, I have uploaded one separate video. In that video I have explained just in 1 hour, guys. If you watch that video, total income computation video, you will get the maximum marks in your examination, guys. I have explained beautifully total income computation, how to approach, how to present that answer, how to interpret the question, how to save time, how to present the answer in minimum time. Everything I have explained in that video. I will leave that video's description in this video's link, in this video's description itself. Go and watch that. Very important. So it becomes very important. 15 marks out of your 50 marks, it is asked from total income computation only. But there is one catch here, guys. There are two things. The ICA sometimes ask only compute the total income as per only one tax regime, either default tax regime or optional tax regime. But there are chances ICA ask you to compute under both the tax regimes also. See here, both the tax regime. 3 times in the last 5 attempts, ICI has asked to compute the total income under both the tax regimes. And you know what? It takes a lot of time, right, to solve it under both the tax regimes, and it is very confusion also. Your confusion will just vanish off. Watch my 1 hour video you watch. You will get a easy trick. I have given a small trick, shortcut method to solve both regimes question, guys. You watch that, you will get idea. Next, so in this, what is answer in total income? There may be any kind of a topic, right? So generally it is seen PGBP. Of course, you will see every attempt, you will see in this without PGBP there cannot be a total income computation. Now guys, one very important thing is here, it is, see, house property also asked, guys, as a part of it. See here, I'll be highlighting house property. Almost out of the past 5 attempts, total income computation question, in 4 attempts, house property was part of total income. So guys, if you look at it closely, house property in descriptive also it is asked. Even in MCQs, house property is asked. Very small topic, house property. Prepare it like anything. Hardly any complication in that topic. It becomes very important. Very small topic, but look at the importance, how important it is, guys. House property. And of course, PGBP. As I told you, PGBP you cannot miss. If you miss PGBP, your compulsory question is gone. Duma. Are you getting it? Next step. And one more thing I want to stress here, that is regarding different topics. Like you can see here, set off of loss is asked. I'll come to the set off of loss later, guys. Here you see deductions. Deductions chapter is very easy, guys. Trust me, very easy. I have uploaded a marathon video on my YouTube channel for May attempt. Exactly same marathon will be applicable for this attempt, Jan attempt also. Go and watch that beautifully. If you are thinking that I will leave deductions, don't leave deductions. Very easy it is. I have explained beautifully in my marathon video. That marathon video's link also I will leave in this video's description. Go and watch that. Yes. So don't leave deductions, guys. Every attempt you see here, deductions. Almost 4 attempts in the past 5 attempts, deductions topic has been covered in the total income computation, guys. And lot of times, sometimes capital gains, sometimes IFOS. Like this, IFOS is also clubbed in the total income computation. So you cannot leave IFOS, because IFOS very simple. I'll tell you, just gift taxation and winnings. These things becomes very important. Yes. Next, that was from the standpoint of 15 marker question. Now we will come to the next 6 mark question, guys. Residential status and scope of total income. Very important. Every attempt it is been asked, guys. Every attempt. Maybe just 1 or 2 attempts they might have missed in the past, but every attempt, exactly this 2A question. You pick all these 5 question papers, you will see residential status and scope of total income. You know what? If you are getting confused in scope of total income, in RNO, or shall I tax this income, that income, if you are getting that confusion, watch my video, guys. I have recently uploaded my practice batch video number 2 and video now class 2 and class 3. You watch. In that you will find residential status explanation. Beautifully I have explained. You cannot, guys, not even a single topic is missed in that residential status. Go to my YouTube channel, Tax Thalaiva. If you go to my channel, under playlist live and normal also, you just type practice batch, free classes I have uploaded. You go and watch that. Amazingly I have explained residential status. You will thank me after coming back from examination that yes, residential status I could solve. 6 marks, guys. Laddu it is. Small topic, residential status. Hardly some 2-3 hours it will take for you to get 100% conceptual clarity. Any question you will just solve like this, guys. So see here, score residential status. Out of past 5 attempts, 4 attempts, 6 marks. Laddu 6 marks. Every attempt, even this attempt, they will ask you definitely. Only 1 attempt they have asked slum sale from the capital gain chapter. Rest all it was residential status topic. Only 6 marks, guys. 6 marks it is. And very small topic it is. Next 4 mark 2B, question number 2B. Generally, guys, every attempt TDS question. Look at the pattern. ICI follows a particular pattern, guys. You need to, if you identify that pattern, examination becomes very, very easy for you. So TDS, you see every attempt at TDS 4 marks definitely they will ask. And you know what, if you look at the section, okay sir, TDS is very, very tough, sir, don't worry. On my YouTube channel you will find TDS TCS, one topic is there, advanced tax, TDS TCS, all three I have covered in just 1 hour. You have any kind of doubt, okay, you are not feeling like studying the book, go and watch that video. You will get a next level comfort, I'm telling you. Go and watch that video. Okay, 1 hour only you will find in my YouTube channel. Go and find in the previous videos, it will be there. TDS TCS tax Thalaiva, you type, that's all on your YouTube, you will find that video. 1 hour you watch, all your TDS will be fear will be just gone away. Yes. So, and one more thing is what, 194J, I have picked the sections also which are frequently asked. I am not saying to leave other sections, guys. What all I am saying is give importance to this. If you have time, definitely, if you have time or don't have time, you have to refer everything. But a little bit of more practical questions you can solve from these sections. 194C, 194J, 194IB, that rental income in case of individuals, and 194Q, and at the time of sale or purchase of goods you have to deduct TDS, that remember 206C 1H, and TCS sections, guys. 206C for motor vehicle sale, at the time of seller has to collect the TCS on the motor car sold, all these sections. And 206C 1H also, at the time of selling goods for more than 50 lakhs to a particular vendor, 1% of TCS has to be collected. That provision you need to refer, guys. So I have highlighted here, you see 194 IB, 20 motor car sale, 194J motor car sale. See, motor car sale 2 times they have asked. Now let's see 194J. See here, this attempt 194J, this attempt 194J, this attempt also 194C and 194Q. So maximum, if you see 194 J, C, I, B, Q, these provisions are multiple times asked, guys. So I'm not saying leave other topics. No. If you have any kind of fear of TDS, 1 hour only you go and watch it by YouTube channel. You will find that video. You will thank me after watching that. Yes, next step. So if you cover only these 3 topics, guys, 25 marks is done out of your 50 marks. Just imagine. Just imagine. Residential status, TDS itself, if you do, out of 50 marks, 10 marks is done. Next step. 3A, question number 3A. Most of the times this question comes from salary, different salary, house property, capital gain, this kind of topics, or IFOS. So 3A generally you will find a topic from IFOS or salary or capital gain or income from house property also they may ask you. Yes. So guys, next 3B. Guys, 3B question generally long-term capital gain and salary, IFOS gift. So guys, what I can say is the third question generally comes from capital gains or your IFOS or your salary chapter, guys. These 3 chapters are covered in this 10 marker question. Sometimes different questions are being asked. So capital gain, though it is a little bit complicated, vast, you see every attempt it is asked. Here LTCG is asked, here LTCG is asked, here capital gain is asked, here also capital gain is asked. So there is a possibility capital gain also you need to read. Stress on buyback and bonus shares, these kind of right issue. There are some amendments in the recent attempts. Focus on that. I'll tell you the topics also. Yes. Now comes the very important, guys. 4A, guys, set off and carry forward of losses, hardly 2-3 pages only. The full topic itself is 3 pages. If you don't know, I have recently finished off my practice batch. Beautifully, I explained the set off and carry forward of losses topic. Yes, if you want that video's access, you can ping me on this WhatsApp number 8919258063. I will give you the full practice batch in 80 hours we have covered, guys. If you watch at 1.5 speed, within 60 hours your income tax will be done. Everything 100% syllabus is covered. Okay, so now you see this set off and loss of carry forward, losses carry forward, losses carry forward, losses carry. Every attempt, not even a single attempt is missed. This 4A question, every attempt they ask from set off and carry forward of losses, guys. 6 marks laddu question it is. Next, 4B, guys, 4B, this question, all the attempts, every attempt you will see from return of income topic, guys, return of income, you know, the last theory, this is the only theory question which ICI asks, and it is also laddu, I will tell, because guys, hardly there are some topics. What are the topics, sir? Persons who are required to file return of income, number one topic. Then types of returns, belated return, revised return, updated return, this. And the third topic is Aadhaar, who has to link with the PAN, who is required to take PAN allotment. Only these three topics, guys. Laddu 4 marks, you know, 100% they will ask in this attempt. Every attempt they'll ask. So guys, I can say some topics, guess, I only can guess, you also can guess, guys. See, total income, you can guess 15 marker question. Then I told you 2A, 2B, every attempted TDS and the scope of residential status they'll ask. And the last question also, every attempt they're asking a set of and loss of carry forward and return of income. You almost know what is going to come for almost out of 50 marks. You already know for 30-35 marks what ICI is going to ask. Then why are you scared of income tax? Only problem is you do not have conceptual clarity. You do not know how to solve the questions. And for that also I have a solution. Practice batch. Recently I finished for Jan attempt. 60 hours you sit, 1.5 speed you watch. Your income tax headache will be gone. Trust me. Yes. So this is the trend analysis, guys. If I have to summarize the topics, guys, every attempt, what are the topics asked, sir? Residential status, every attempt 6 marks. Scope of total income, guys, watch my video. Class 2, class 3, practice batch, free class is uploaded on my channel. Go and watch that. It will be benefiting like anything to you if you are having any kind of confusion. Because 6 marks, you know, this question is going to come. If you don't prepare and go, you are only at loss. Next, income from house property, every attempt 4 marks. Generally, part portion let out to self-occupied, that kind of questions are asked. TDS, every attempt, guys, focus on 194C, 194C, 194J, 194IB, 194Q, 206C series. I am not saying leave other TDS sections. All I am saying is these are important. Yes. Next, set off and carry forward of losses, 6 marks laddu question, cover every loss. Guys, in my practice batch, I have explained the next level and I have given one summary chart also. That summary chart, if you have on your hand, you cannot miss your set off and carry forward of losses, 6 marks laddu in your pocket. Return of income, 4 marks, every attempt they are asking. Revised return, belated return, updated return, persons required to file return of income. And PGBP, you know very well, it is forming part of the total income, almost 10 marks. All adjustments you need to cover. I will be coming up with a separate video on all adjustments of PGBP topic. So if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to this channel also, guys. Guys, these are the topics, guys. If you closely look at it, residential status, small topic. House property, small topic. TDS, 1 hour, I told you my video you watch, within 1 hour you can cover. Losses, set off and carry forward of losses, small topic. Return of income, JUJUP topic. PGBP, I have, again, in my marathon video only, you go and watch. Or if you want my practice batch also, you can take. Guys, small topics these are. 6 plus 4, 10, 14, 20 and almost 35 marks. This total is 35 marks. You can definitely guess what is going to come. Expected Allah, 100% these questions will appear in your Jan attempt. If you know that only by covering these topics, you can cover 35 marks of your portion out of 50 marks. What is stopping you? Next. So these are sometimes asked, sometimes not asked topics. Salary 4 marks. What I need to focus, sir? Perquisites, HRA allowance, like this you focus. And the total salary income computation also you focus. IFOS, guys, gift taxation winnings, very important, guys. Very important, guys. Even in MCQs these are asked. I am not saying to take these topics light, or I am not saying to leave any other topics. All I am saying is focus should be on this. More you do some questions and go. Capital gains, slum sale, guys, separate question. Lot of times it is asked. Very easy JUJUP topic, cover that. And 54 series exemption, 54 EC and all, 54F and all, LTCG you cover. And clubbing, guys, every attempt, clubbing all the provisions you cover and go, guys. So this is a small information video from my end. I'm sure, I will bet on this. You come, take the Jan 26 attempt question paper and come. You will find almost, I would say, 70 to 80% of the question paper will be from these topics only, guys. Prepare like this and go. A lot of students don't even know about the strategies and all. So I thought I should share this. This is based on the actual question paper. I have done the analysis, guys. Okay, if you want to watch my marathon video in this YouTube channel only, you will find for May attempt I uploaded, there are no changes. One or two small changes are there. For that also on my YouTube channel only, you will find amendment video. Go and watch that. Hardly 5 minutes video it is. Marathon I have covered in just 12 hours. Full marathon I have covered 100% English language. Yes, if you want practice batch, sir, I am having a problem in solving the questions. Go and ping me on my WhatsApp number 8919258063. I'll give you access. For paid, it is a little bit money I will take from you. If you want to, the gyan on how to tackle total income accommodation, sir, it becomes very difficult. I'm very much confused, sir. In that case, I uploaded a separate video on my channel only very recently, how to tackle total income computation question. Go and watch that. That will be very helpful. Sir, TDS, TCS, advanced tax, sir, I don't have any conceptual clarity. Go and watch my TDS, TCS, advanced tax video, guys. I hope the message is clear. Let me know in the comment section, what do you expect from the Jan 26 attempt, because a lot of students will be thinking this question pakka will come. So let me know in the chat box so that other students also would understand, okay, this topic student is saying means probably from this topic question may come. So you put in the comment section, what is that 100% sure short question you are expecting in Jan 26 attempt. So take care. Bye bye. Namaste. Namaskara. Vanakkam.